here are our 5 ingredients. Chicken broth, a can of pasta sauce, can of Rotel, soup mix. You could just as easily use this mixed vegetables or veg all. But if you're going to do that, I would use 2 cans instead of 1. I just like the versatile soup mix from Kroger, and it's super cheap. And then this is about a half a pound of ground beef. So first I'm going to add my beef. I'm going to add vegetables next, but it really doesn't matter what order you add this in. It's just really a dump meal. We have our chicken broth, organic. After that, I'm adding whatever pasta sauce. This is just one I had in the pantry, 6 cheese. Oh, I cannot believe I got that open. Pasta sauce. I'm going to add a can of Rotel. This is the mild. I like spicy, but some other people don't, so I'm making it mild, and I'll just add hot sauce. Alright, in goes this can, and you're done. I'm just going to give it a quick stir and then put the lid on. It doesn't look super pretty, but it tastes good, I promise you. So just have that on there for 4 to 6 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low, and you're good to go.